I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to format your Infinix device. First, always back up all your important data to a cloud service or an external drive to prevent loss. Next, ensure your phone has at least 50% battery charge to avoid interruptions during the process. Finally, remove your Google account and any other linked accounts from the device before proceeding with the format. The simplest way to format your Infinix is through the Settings menu. Open the Settings application on your phone. Scroll down and select System or About Phone, then tap on Reset Options. From there, choose Erase All Data Factory Reset. You will be prompted to confirm your decision, so proceed carefully to initiate the formatting process. If your phone is unresponsive, a hard reset via recovery mode is necessary. First, power off your Infinix device completely. Then, press and hold the volume up button and the power button simultaneously until the Infinix logo appears. Use the volume keys to navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and press the power button to select it. Confirm your choice to begin the hard reset. After successfully formatting your Infinix phone, you can now set it up as a brand new device or restore your data from a previous backup. Remember to reinstall all your essential applications from the Google Play Store. Finally, ensure your device's operating system is updated to the latest available version for optimal performance and security. Enjoy your freshly formatted Infinix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.